Today, we're going to be learning about negative inversion. We're going to look into what inversion is and how to identify negative inversion. One day, you won't believe what happened to me. Never in my life have I seen something so unexpected. Let me tell you the story, and trust me, by the end of the story, you're going to understand what negative inversion is in English without even realizing you were learning. So, picture this. It's a bright morning and I stepped out, only to find my neighbor's dog sitting right on top of my car. Not beside it, not under it, but on it. Not only did it sit there, but it also looked at me as if I was the one in the wrong. Not once did it attempt to move when I called it, nor did it flinch when I waved my hands. Only when I opened the door did it finally jump down, wagging its tail as if nothing had happened. Now, did you notice something special about how I told the story? The way I flipped words around? That, my wonderful friend, is called negative inversion. This is an advanced grammar lesson, but I'm going to go through everything step by step. I've got lots of requests to take this lesson, and at the end of this lesson, leave an example in the comments below. First, what does inversion mean? To understand today's grammar, you need to understand its name. Inversion means to change the normal order. Therefore, in English grammar, inversion is a reversal of normal word order, especially the placement of a verb ahead of the subject, subject-verb inversion. The rhetorical term for inversion is hyperbating. Negative inversion happens when we start a sentence with a negative or limiting word like never, not only, nor, seldom, rarely, hardly, or under no circumstances. And then flip the subject and the verb, just like in a question. But don't get confused. It's not a question. It just makes the sentence sound more dramatic and formal. Let's look at those examples again. Never in my life have I seen something so unexpected. Instead of saying, I have never seen something so unexpected in my life. Another part of it was when I said, not once did he attempt to move. Instead of saying, he did not attempt to move once. Do you understand it now? And another part when I said, nor did he flinch. Instead of saying, he did not flinch either. I also said, only when I opened the car door did he finally jump down. Instead of saying, he finally jumped down only when I opened the car door. Negative inversion actually makes your sentence great, captivating, attractive, fun, and loving. See how this inversion makes the sentence stronger and more interesting. It adds suspense, just like in a good story. Now, imagine using this technique in your writing and speaking. You did sound so fluent and polished. And the best part, you already know how to do it. Just start with a negative word, flip the other, and watch your English transform. So, try making your own examples in the comments. I personally, Miss D, will love to see them. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and support this channel so I can keep bringing you great content like this. Your engagement helps a lot. Also, visit my website at www.poga.com.ng for more learning materials and resources. May I tell you that I have wonderful worksheets on this website? Yes, worksheet that is very fun and attractive. You can always use it for your classroom activities. You can always use them to play games. You know, learning is fun. See you in my next video. Remember, subscribe. Bye.